Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar Day 4, which is 8 on my fingers. Day 4! On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. Oh, looks like it's another die set. From me to you. So cute. Let's take a look. Here is a nice thing about this. You're getting the shadow and the word in this beautiful script. It is from me to you. This is nice because if you're making tags and your handwriting is, yeah. Do I have to say it? It looks like your doctor's handwriting. At least you can do the, to and from. You can use this on cards, tags, gift bags, the little tag too if you're going to make a tag. So the to and from is fabulous in and of itself. Also, this wonderful shadow too. This is a nice practical set to have, and the to and the from is not too big. Alrighty, let's look at my example. It's going to be a tag. Here is my December 4th example. I made 2 tags, and these are like layering tags. My idea is to use them on gift bags. From me to you, you could use that. Or you could do like I did, from, put your name, to, put a name. And then I just layered up some of Spellbinders' fabulous tags, some of my favorites. Here I'm using some black glossy foil cardstock for the sentiment. On this one, I didn't put the outline in the back. On this one, I did. So the shadow layer is here, but not there. I have this one tied onto the bag. This could be great for masculine presents as well. I'm going to clip this up here, okay? To separate it. And if you're wondering, why am I not using my 9-inch Pro shears? She's only for paper. Strictly paper. Mainly fussy cutting. Nothing else. Everything that I hand cut, if I need to cut around something, that's when I pull this out. Everything else, these other scissors. Or whatever else I have around me. Because I have like 30 scissors. But I normally use those tonic ones. These gift bags I think I picked up like, Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Here is another example. I did 3 layers. This is tied with Spellbinders black hemp cord. I'll put a link for that. These tags, some of my favorites. You guys should probably know it. Create a decorative tag. Love. So I use create a decorative tag. One plain in the back. Here I'm using Spellbinders partly cloudy cardstock. Poppy field cardstock, okay? So that's red and blue. I was thinking like his and hers. So I used just a tag. I did a layer in the back, so you could do whatever color. I was thinking on the back one, then you can write something or stamp something. That's why I did it in white, okay? Just to add a little fun to these tags, I ran them through an embossing folder. For this one, I'm using the Tiny Dots 2D embossing folder. This is an oversized embossing folder, 5.5-inch wide, 8.5-inch tall. This one is a 2D as well, peppermint stripes. This is cute. I love this. Definitely for the holiday season. Love this peppermint. So what I did was emboss each tag. One blue, one red. Then I came on with some ink blending. Deeper shades of blue ink around the edges. This one I came in actually with Simon Hurley inks. Love Struck and Game Over. Love Game Over. It's a very dark red when you want to get this kind of a look without using black soot. If I did put black soot here, it would be even darker. But I did tie it in to look darker by putting the sentiment here with the black cardstock and then this one with white cardstock, okay? This is another reason why I also did a second piece, because of the back. You can see the dot detail writing on this is not going to be fun. That's why I put the second layer. On this one, I actually did a second layer while I was ink blending. This bent on me. Not in a good way, but I smoothed it out by putting a second tag behind. Yay! So now it's double thick. This one not as thick, but is still reinforced by having the second tag in the back. And I still put one here as well. They're my little sentiments from another favorite of mine. These are actually in the BOGO sale going on at Spellbinders right now, which I am going to have a video. So I suggest watching that video before you go shop the sale because there is a strategy to that sale. I'll talk about it in that video. Assorted tags. That's what I'm using here. Love assorted tags. That circle and then this big one here. These two are like perfect with each other. Just really, really fun. Love them. For the die cuts, I'm going into my collection, the Beautiful Wreath collection. Did I use this? No, I didn't use this. I'm here pulling out Build-A-Wreath, but I didn't use the Build-A-Wreath dies. I'm so used to always having that one first, but I actually used Christmas wreath add-ons, the Christmas tree there. Here are the ornaments. They're right there. The star is over here. I put together the Christmas tree. Then on this tag, I use the snowflakes. I could have gone in with the bow here, but I decided to make a present. And that's where I came into the birthday wreath add-on and put together the present. This is like the easiest thing to put together. Seriously, it's 2 pieces. Then you do that layer. If you want to do that layer, which is this piece right here, you do the tails and then you do the bottom of the bow and the top of this 3D bow. And then I just put the snowflakes to represent winter, but this could easily be birthday. I may do that for birthday too. The sentiments here, I could have used the happy birthday and the season's greetings, but I like the glimmer with this tail coming out for this tag. And for that, I'm using Comfort and Joy Sentiments hot foil plate. You guys have been seeing this from me recently a lot, right? I have a lot of this glimmered in different colorways, different color cardstock, different hot foil rolls, all versions. Although right now you're just seeing the standard black and white, but I have like red, teal, glimmer, and then cut out with the coordinating die. You can get 6 sets of this out of 1 sheet of cardstock. Thumbs up. This is fabulous. She maximizes your cardstock. She maximizes your hot foil roll. Right here, you'll get a little strip left over, but you can use that for your other sentiment hot foil plates. So I love that. And I did double up these. So in the back, there is a second layer, 110 pound on top of this. So this is sturdy, this is sturdy, and this is even double layered as well. I put another tree under the bottom and I popped it off of here. This one I didn't pop off of that background. So this is more of a 2-dimensional with the present and the tag. This one is more 3-dimensional. And then I use that hem cord, put on the sentiment, because just by itself with the from, it needed something. So I think layering tags like this is fun. This is just nice because it's interactive too. So here is that blue bag. Here is a white bag. And this is the time to get them when they're at the craft store and on sale. Here is black. So like I said, this is also great for masculine gifts. This is just so neutral and so fabulous. I love these sentiments. Okay, crafters, everything that I use to make these tags will be detailed and linked below. Don't forget to enter today for the 12 days of giveaways. Remember, day 12 is the big grand prize, the platinum large format die cutting machine with the universal plate system. That is the original platinum machine. The only difference between the original and the new and improved platinum machine, they both operate the same. The colorway is different with the new one, and the new one includes the universal plate system. But Spellbinders is kind enough to give you the universal plate system so you don't have to buy it if you win. So that's lovely. Also, you can check out the BOGO sale and watch my video for some tips of how to shop that sale. Alrighty, crafters. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Such fun making these tags. Bye.